Have you ever wondered how genetic mutations cause diseases? Well, Google DeepMind has developed an AI tool that can precisely pinpoint these mutations. Introducing AlphaMissense, a revolutionary protein structure prediction AI network based on Alphafold. This tool accurately predicts which mutations in proteins are likely to lead to health conditions. This breakthrough overcomes a major challenge that has limited the use of genomics in healthcare. Researchers around the world are developing tools to interpret people's genomes and identify the root causes of diseases. AlphaMissense is a significant step forward in this field, but thorough testing is required before it can be implemented in clinical settings. Most genetic mutations that directly cause diseases alter the amino acid sequence of the encoded protein. However, only a fraction of the millions of possible missense mutations have been linked to diseases so far. This makes it challenging for researchers and doctors to interpret new and unknown missense mutations. That's where AlphaMissense comes in. By incorporating existing approaches in machine learning, AlphaMissense utilizes Alphafold structural predictions to identify potential disease-causing mutations within a protein. In addition to Alphafold, AlphaMissense also incorporates a protein language model, similar to language models like ChatGPT. This model has been trained on millions of protein sequences and excels at predicting protein structures, making it suitable for variant prediction. DeepMind's network outperforms other computational tools in identifying disease-causing variants and exhibits excellent accuracy in identifying problem variants from laboratory experiments. The researchers used AlphaMissense to create a comprehensive catalog of every possible missense mutation in the human genome. They determined that 57% of these mutations are likely to be benign, while 32% may cause disease. While AlphaMissense represents a significant advance in predicting the effects of mutations, experts acknowledge that further evaluation and improvement are needed. It is not yet a perfect solution, and its impact may diminish as better tools emerge in the future. AlphaMissense, like any other AI tool in this field, must undergo rigorous evaluation before it is applied in real-world clinical settings. Evaluation programs like the critical assessment of genome interpretation play a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of these tools. In conclusion, AlphaMissense